Hello and welcome to the Power BI tutorial, and in this new tutorial what I want to show you is how you can add more space to the each row of the table visual. So suppose you have a table, very simple table visual like this, or maybe a complex one, but you want to increase the space or you want to give more space to each of the row, right, so that they are clearly visible as per your formatting needs. So how you can do that? Actually hidden in the formatting. So in this format your visual, you have the grid, and in the grid what you have is the options, and over here what you get is the row padding option. What you can do is you can increase the row padding, and as you increase the row padding you will observe that the space is increasing in each row. That means they are now having more space. So this looks quite good compared to the one which was quite compact, right? And that way you can increase or decrease based on changing the value of row padding. So that's how easy and straightforward it is in Power BI to add it. It's just that you need to know the right option of where to go for it. Now when you are here, you may want to know is that I keep all of my Power BI related videos in this Google Sheet, and the link is present over here. It has close to 300 plus videos. So what that means is you can come over here, you can search any of the video like tax video, project video, and using the link present in the column B, you can jump onto that, right? Also, I've given some information about topic category and difficulty level as well, as and when I'm able to update it, just to give more context to each of my video. Along with this, if you are a beginner and you want to follow along with the data set that I'm using, then you need to use the link, the dataset link which I've given in the description. It will take you to my Google group where you can where you need to join my Google group first, and then it will give you the link, folder link, which is this link, and then you will come over here in this folder, the dataset sheet, and in the dataset sheet in the row number 19 you have the sample superstore data set, which you can download and use the orders sheet like I am using it over here, the order sheet, and I have simply created table visual using category, profit and sales. With that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.